Welcome to a journey where beauty meets the lens. The Tips for Flawless Makeup in Photos and Videos tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, we're delving into the art of achieving makeup that not only enhances your natural beauty but also ensures that you look radiant and polished in every photograph and video. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion, curating content for your digital presence, or simply aiming to capture your best self in visual media, this video is your ultimate resource for mastering the art of makeup that translates seamlessly across screens and lenses. The Tips for Flawless Makeup in Photos and Videos tutorial is a celebration of makeup as a versatile form of expression that resonates through the pixels and frames of cameras. It's an exploration of techniques and product choices that empower you to present yourself confidently in various lighting scenarios and camera angles. Within this guide, we'll reveal the secrets behind achieving a flawless complexion, expertly sculpting your features, and selecting colors that appear vibrant and harmonious in both photographs and videos. At the heart of this tutorial lies the craft of adapting makeup for the visual realm. We'll delve into the world of makeup that's optimized for the camera, unveiling how to create a look that accentuates your unique beauty while ensuring it translates effortlessly into the digital space. By mastering techniques such as strategic highlighting, camera-savvy contouring, and color selections that pop on screen, we'll guide you in crafting makeup that's not only picture-perfect but also aligned with your personal style. Techniques take center stage in the Tips for Flawless Makeup in Photos and Videos tutorial. We'll guide you through a step-by-step journey of application mastery. With precision and a keen understanding of how cameras capture light, we'll uncover the power of well-placed highlights to catch the light in just the right way, contouring to define your features for a sculpted appearance, and selecting lip and eye shades that enhance your overall look without overpowering the camera's lens. Whether your aim is a natural radiance or a bold statement, each technique equips you with the skills to enhance your beauty for the digital world. However, this tutorial transcends the realm of makeup application. It's about understanding the synergy between makeup, lighting, and technology. We encourage you to consider how makeup interacts with cameras, screens, and diverse lighting conditions, enabling you to present your authentic self in every visual capture. Ultimately, the Tips for Flawless Makeup in Photos and Videos tutorial empowers you to view makeup as a dynamic tool for self-expression that resonates through the visual medium. It's a reminder that makeup isn't just about enhancing your features, it's about adapting to modern technology, showcasing your unique style, and leaving a lasting impression that spans screens and lenses. With the knowledge of camera-friendly makeup techniques and a newfound appreciation for the art of visual representation, let's embark on the journey of mastering the art of makeup that transcends the digital divide. By the tutorial's conclusion, you'll not only have refined the skills to create flawless makeup looks that radiate in photos and videos but also gained a profound understanding of how makeup can be a transformative tool for making a statement, telling a story, and leaving a mark that's impactful both online and offline.